When you need energy but you don't have time to brew, sip, or crash, insert Uplife Energy and Focus Gum. Basically, coffee that you chew. Each piece has 40 milligrams of caffeine paired with 80 milligrams of L-Theanine. That means the combo is basically designated to give you a smoother focus instead of that jittery caffeinated spike that you sometimes get with coffee or energy drinks. What makes this really interesting to me is how fast it actually works. It also includes vitamin B12, B3 to help you support your energy levels, your metabolism, and mental clarity. Since you're chewing it, absorption starts really quickly. It's quicker than drinking something. You don't have to wait for a cup to cool down, no carrying the shaker bottle. Just pop a piece in your mouth, you're good to go. It is sugar-free, so that's a plus. It's peppermint flavored, however, I will say it's not strongly peppermint flavored, but I do just throw it in the truck, in the gym bag, backpack, or RV drawer. Again, it's not off-the-walls energy hit. It's not to replace like an energy drink. It's just a steady, clean focus boost when you need to lock in. So if you're working long days, studying, traveling, or just trying to avoid that mid-afternoon crash, these are pretty convenient option, I'd say. So chew, focus, and get stuff done.